Make sure you stay till the end. We'll talk about 2 common mistakes people make that can cost you thousands of dollars. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a dot charger, guys. If you have one of those, you need to find the fuse for the Park Assist, Parktronic, also known as Parktronic or Park Assist. We'll explain where the fuse is located, common mistakes people make when replacing fuses and relays that can cost you thousands of dollars, and why it's super important to test fuses. All that will be covered in this video today. Make sure to stay until the end. Before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. And if you guys want to buy any parts, tools for your Dodge or any vehicle, you want to get them at a good price, quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. So let's continue now. It should work on both V6 and V8, guys. Specifically, we have the V6. Most people will just hope that this fuse is right here in that fuse box that's next to the engine, but you're wrong. It's not here. It's a different hidden location. We'll talk about that in a second. But many of you have requested, guys, in the comment section below to share information about good diagnostic tool scanner that you will be able to use on your vehicles. This is our favorite one for that price range. It's amazing tool. We bought it ourselves. It works on almost any car you can think of. That's the one that we use daily here at the shop, and you can access every computer system in your car, read codes, delete codes. I will put the link in the description of the video below where you can find it, check more about it, current price, features and all that stuff. But it's a tool, guys, that is a life-saving tool. Some of these modern cars have more than 50, 60 computers like that BMW here, and you definitely need a tool like that. So let's explain where the fuse is now. So you will need to open the trunk. Once you open the trunk, you will lift the cargo cover here, the trunk liner, and here you have the spare tire. You will have, guys, your car battery. 3 common mistakes people make. Let's talk about that. Often it's recommended to disconnect, guys, the car battery when replacing fuse or a relay. Otherwise you can sometimes cause damage to the electrical components and systems. Number 2, on these new vehicles, guys, with having so many computers, it's really important which battery terminal to disconnect and reconnect first. If you do it the wrong way, you can cause damage to the modules, computers, and that can be, guys, really expensive to fix in some cases. We burned a computer on Mercedes that way. It cost us $2,000. So check out, there is a special video that explains which battery terminal to disconnect first. It will talk about that and which one to reconnect. This is your fuse box right here. If you look at it now, right there, you're going to press on this, pull up, lift it this way. Where is that now defroster fuse located, guys? It will be Park Assist fuse. What I'm talking about, Park Assist fuse, guys. Where is that fuse? You start wondering. You can see you have multiple fuses, different kinds, relays. Always a good idea to test fuses. Why? Because let's say you guys think it's a good fuse but it's bad. Sometimes you cannot clearly see if they're burned. What can easily happen, you will put it back in, you spend time, money, you invest your labor, guys, to fix a problem that doesn't exist. Let's say you buy new Park Assist sensors, modules, things like that. It's not worth it. Always test the fuses, and we'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, relays, and where to buy cheap fuses and relays from. Link will be in the description of the video below. I will remove that relay, it's in the way, so I will just go ahead and grab it, pull it out, so I can clearly show you. Here, if you look, you have, even if you have a missing fuse, you still count it. 1, 2, that 10 amp fuse, guys. That 10 amp fuse is the one that we specifically have for the Park Assist. You grab it with the puller, you pull it out, that's the fuse. We'll grab the new one in, we'll push it back in. Okay, very little space here, by the way. If you have big fat fingers, it will be not very convenient. Go ahead, push the relay, and if you disconnected the car battery, reconnect it. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.